we have diced carrot, diced whitewash potato, we have chicken stock, red onion, butter and cream. For the first step, preheat your pot and melt the butter. Sweat the onion. Add in the potato and the carrot. Saute them, but not to be brown. As we bring them to boil, once texture. Back to heat, and we will do a finishing with cream. So now it's reheated. Season them lightly first with salt. Add in cream. Bit of white pepper. So the carrot soup is ready. As you can see, the thickness and consistency at this texture. So we can now plate them half more. So we can finish them with whipped cream, crouton, sprinkle of parsley. Thank you and see you in the next video.